Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will walk you through the process of performing a context search to help you generate meaningful search results. To perform context search, click the search icon. Select a module and a type from the drop-down menu. Select an attribute, a condition, and enter a search value. To further refine the search, you can select Boolean operators and specify an attribute, a condition, and a search value against each operator. To organize results based on an attribute, tick Arrange Results By and select an attribute. Press Search to initiate the search. CloudLIMS searches the entire database and displays results based on the specified criteria. To enter multiple search values, tick Search for multiple values and select a delimiter, comma or semicolon. Specify search values separated by the delimiter and press Search. Thank you for watching the video. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlims.com or call 1-302-789-0447.